Solid state MHT CET PYQs part 2 we are going to discuss. Right. Question number 17. Which among the following pairs of compounds is not isomorphous? First you have to know what is isomorphous. Isomorphous means same. Here what is same? Same structure, their cation and anion size, ions size also should be similar, and properties identical. Okay, suppose if it is following FCC structure, one compound, another also should be FCC. Okay, like that, those are isomorphous. Here directly we know that the second D, in the D, NaCl is FCC, but KCl, देखो cesium chloride is BCC, right? NaCl is FCC. KCl showing based on different temperature, sometimes it is FCC, sometimes it is BCC. Okay, fluctuation is there. And Cl is TK, but Na plus size and K plus size is varying, so finally it is not isomorphous. So question number 17, answer is D, because same structure is not there. Next, question number 18, the percentage unoccupied volume in simple cubic, right? See, it's a direct fact, it is textbook information. We can derive also. Simple cubic, body centered cubic, face centered cubic, hexagonal close packing. This FCC, another name is the CCP. Okay, the percentages, occupying percentages, it is least, that is 52.4, this one is 68%, these both are 74%. Okay, now it is occupying unoccupied. You can just do that 100 minus 52.4, so your answer will be 47.6. This data you have to remember. Next time may ask BCC, FCC or HCP, CCP, like that. So similar question you can attempt easily. Already it is second time repeated, so it may ask next time also. How many total constituent particles are present in simple cubic unit cell? Same, this question also repeated. Question number 19. In the simple cubic unit cell, at all corners atoms are there, right? All corners 8 atoms are there, but 8 atoms, each atom contribution is 1 by 8, that equaled 1. How many total constituent particles are present in simple cubic unit cell? Question number 19. Option is A, only one atom is present. Understood? Next, question number 20. If a metal crystallizes in BCC structure with edge length of unit cell 4.29 into 10 power minus 8 centimeter, the radius of metal atom is, see, what is this? BCC, see, देखो body ठीक है, बॉडी में मेनली 3 पार्ट्स, 1 2 3, 4r equal to root 3a. Suppose if it is asking face centered, face centered, face centered cubic FCC, okay, face has 2 cheeks या 2 ears, okay, that is 4r equal to root 2a. Just remember the formulas. Right, now the topic is question number 20. Right, in the question number 20, BCC given, that means 4r, BCC is given, that means 4r equal to root 3a. Here r you have to calculate, right? A is given, 4r equal to root 3 into a, 4.29 into 10 power minus 8, right? What it will be, root 3 value approximately 1.7 कुछ था, yes, root 4 value is 2, right? 1.7 into 4.29, I can take it as 4.3 into 10 power minus 8, so मैक्सिमम 8 होगा, उससे ज़्यादा नहीं होगा. See here, 4r equal to approximately this 4 and 4, if I cut it, answer will be 1.1 something, 1.8 into 10 power minus 8 r equal to, so option A direct. Okay, question number 21, which among the following statement is true about Schottky defect? See, Schottky and one more is there, Frankel. ये दोनों में डिफरेंस क्या था? इन द Schottky में these ions are missing. Suppose here it is there, this atom, the positive charge is there, next one negative charge, completely missing. But in case of Frankel, cation, anion, cation, anion, cation. See, it is a proper one. But sometimes what will happen, this cation is there, this cation will move here, it is going to somewhere, but within the crystal, but it is not loose. But here mass decreased, here mass same, mass is not changing, just location is changing. This is called dislocation. Okay, but here completely left from the crystal, so when mass is decreasing, obviously density will decrease, क्योंकि density equal to mass by volume तो same था, mass decreasing, so finally density decreasing, here density same, right? Once you see this in this regular and one more thing, when it will happen, when ion size almost same, उस टाइम में दोनों left. Here cation size is very small, in this case it's happening, which one? Frankel, right? In this regular cation is replaced by different cation. No, we had to identify true regarding Schottky, right? It's not replacing. In this cation, anion moves from regular site to place between lattice site, that means Frankel. Okay, regarding Schottky, that is wrong. Formation of metal alloy is example of this defect. No. In this defect, cation and anions are lacking in stoichiometric proportion. Yes. So finally, the D is the correct. D is the correct. Okay, next time among these points, they may ask which is the decreasing density and which crystals are forming Schottky defect, which are forming Frankel defect. Okay, so these 4 points important. Here mass decreasing, therefore density also decreasing. Then ion size almost same. Here dislocation takes place. Cation size is very small. Cation size is very small. Right. Next. So answer got it? D. Next. Question number 22. Which among the following statement is not true about amorphous solid? About amorphous solids. See, amorphous and crystalline, two are there. Amorphous and crystalline. Crystalline. See, amorphous means powder shape में रहता है, powder. Crystalline, a crystal like sand is the best example. Sand type. Okay, particle nature होता है, particle nature. Particle nature, right? We read that points. Value of physical properties change with direction of measurement. One more thing. Yeah, crystalline में proper arrangement is there like this. You can see in the textbook. Okay, so in this case, if I take one line here, plus minus, plus minus, plus minus, plus minus, plus minus, here plus minus, plus minus, plus. If I take it here one line, right side plus minus alternative, left side also alternative, no problem. But if I take the line here like this, okay, see all here negative charge, this side positive charge. मतलब in different direction different properties थे in case of crystalline. बट amorphous में ऐसा नहीं होता है. amorphous में ये तो पाउडर शेप है, कोई एक लाइन में नहीं रहता है. यू कैन टेक इन एनी डायरेक्शन, ऑल आर सेम. कोई भी डायरेक्शन ले लो, सेम. राइट. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 22. यस, वैल्यू ऑफ फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज चेंज विथ डायरेक्शन ऑफ मेजरमेंट. वो amorphous में नहीं है, वो क्रिस्टलाइन में होता है. राइट. Which of the following statement not true? So not true means obviously answer is A. Done. Answer A. Not true. Okay, again we can discuss remaining properties also. What about B? These are pseudo solids. Yes, pseudo solids. Amorphous is glass is one of the example. It is a pseudo solids. Pseudo solid. Which glass? Window glass I am talking about. Window glass is looks like solid, but it is a supercooled liquid. Supercooled liquid, that is called pseudo solid. These are supercooled liquids. Yes, these behaves like fluids. Yeah, it's not visible, but that's true. Okay, not means 22 is the A is the answer. 22 A is the answer. Right, A is the answer. Next, 23. What type of unit cell crystal system is present in potassium dichromate? ये तो डायरेक्ट मेमोरी बेस्ड है. K2Cr2O7. 23. Primitive triclinic. Primitive triclinic. It is memory based. You have to remember answer C. 23C. Next, 24. In body-centered cubic cell, the space occupied by constituent particle. Once again, I will repeat you here. 24th question. This 20. Yes, see 18th question and 24th question. 24. In body centered cubic cell, space occupied by constant particle. In body centered BCC, space occupied 68%. I told you this topic is very important. So every time asking question on this topic. So 24 is D. The next, if the constituent particle of crystal lattice are of identical size, then total particles present in FCC type unit cell is equal to, in FCC number of atoms, I will write here only for all. This question also repeated. In simple cubic total atoms only 1. In case of BCC 2. In case of FCC total 4. In case of HCP total 6. Okay, the structures in simple cubic only just cube all 8 corners. I'm explaining 25th question, right? 25th. Only 8 corners में है, each one contributing 1 by 8. 8 into 1 by 8, that equal to 1. In case of body centered, all 8 corners atoms are there as well, body center में भी है. So 1 plus 1, that equals 2. Okay, all corners 1, inside cube 1, total 2. In case of face centered, see, all corners equal to 1. All corners 1 कैसे, 8 into 1 by 8, that equal to 1. Right. All faces, how many faces are there? 6 faces. Each face contribution is half. 6 into half, that equal to 3, total 4. Then the structure I will give you here, hexagonal, एक cyclohexane, नीचे भी एक cyclohexane. ये question already in the first video I explained you. Okay, these 3 atoms are belongs to this unit cell only. 3 plus in the cyclohexane center में एक है. This is the half, here also half, that is 1. This ring is 1, this ring is 1. So 2 rings, total 2 atoms, total 6 atoms, like this. Okay, next 25th also done. Question number 26. The crystal lattice enthalpy KCl lattice enthalpy is given minus 699 kilojoule per mole, and enthalpy of its solution is 17.2 kilojoules. Enthalpy of solution, that is delta H solution equal to 17.2, right? Then hydration enthalpy asking, direct formula, hydration enthalpy delta H hydration equal lattice enthalpy plus enthalpy of solution, that equal minus 699 plus 17.2, that means 699 se come, that means minus 681. Therefore C is the answer. Okay, logically how to answer it? If you not remember the formula, if you remember the formula, over. Suppose if you are not remember the formula, then see KCl we are dissolving in the water. KCl tha pehle, it is dissolving as K plus Cl minus. This time how much energy required? 699 kilojoules of energy required, right? While it is after dissolving, here water molecules are surrounded, so this time some energy releasing. This is called delta H hydration enthalpy. while water molecules are surrounded by this anion. Okay, around this cation and anion, when water molecules are forming one hydrated ion, some energy releasing. This is called hydration enthalpy. Suppose if lattice enthalpy delta H lattice equal to delta H hydration enthalpy is there, then the salt is dissolvable. Salt is dissolving. Salt dissolving. Okay, lattice enthalpy more, hydration enthalpy less, not dissolve, not dissolve. Right, here in this question, its solution enthalpy of solution is 17.2. 17.2 means we heated the solution taken 17.2 to dissolve that. That means lattice enthalpy is more, hydration enthalpy is less. Okay, if both are equal, then it is not required any external energy to dissolve. But here this 17.2 received from outside source. That means hydration enthalpy is not sufficient to dissolve. Hydration enthalpy is less. Okay, so to break this, to reach 699, the hydration enthalpy received 17.2. Okay, that means 699 से 17.2 कम है. Okay, right. Don't go for mathematics. Minus means the value is less or more. The minus indicating just releasing energy, plus indicating receiving energy. Right? If you know the formula, directly answer. Otherwise, it is a concept. Next, question number 27. See, third time it is repeating. Arrange the following of unit cells according to their decreasing order of packing efficiency. Already we discussed. Simple cubic is less, उससे better BCC, उससे better HCP and CCP, both are equal, 74%. Now answer, simple cubic तो कम होना चाहिए, FCC या CCP का दूसरा नाम है FCC, right? So option will be B. Option will be B. Next, 28. Which among the following defect is observed in brass? So, brass means क्या होता है? Brass is the alloy. It is the alloy. So brass is the copper and zinc. Copper plus zinc alloy. Okay, bronze is there, copper and tin. Okay, here substitution impurity. Here the zinc is substituting in the copper. Maximum copper is there, zinc is substituting. So answer will be 28. B is the answer. Okay, right. Thank you. The solid state PYQs completed. PYQs over 2019. Watch the videos. The updated video I will post